you guys saw me carrying these beautiful suitcases with all of my stuff packed in and what I got here for this trip. This is a brand called Assembly, and these suitcases are in the color Moon White. They are so nice looking, and I thought since I'm in Paris, might as well have suitcases that are as fashionable as I'm trying to be over here. But jokes apart, these are super aesthetic and also they're extremely sturdy. And I have these two in a nice big size and a medium size, and I also have the smaller one. They have a really nice secure locking system and they're just lovely. It's been great putting all of my stuff in here, and I definitely recommend this brand. Check it out if you're traveling soon and if you want beautiful aesthetic looking suitcases. And there we go. The Assembly bag is back, my friends. Nice, good space. So these were the packing cubes that I mentioned earlier. There were 3 more. They are so convenient. I put different things for each. Like one has my undergarments, one has night clothes, one even has accessories.